Hi guys, Niki here. Welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm doing, I suppose it could go into my black and white series. All I've done there is just drizzle some black pillow paint and white pillow paint together, swirled it with a wooden skewer, and I'm doing so it's a transfer, but I haven't swiped it, it's just black and white. I've seen Cindy van der Veen do this, and I wanted it just sort of as my background, just to give it a bit of interest. On what you can see at the bottom at the moment, that does end up getting scraped off at the end, but you'll see that. And I'm also embellishing this, so it's all in the one video. You'll see the embellishing bits sped up at the end. So yeah, my colours are all listed in the description box below, along with everything else. I've used TLP, which is this little piggy in Athena, a mixture of Hustle and Maraschino together. Gosh, I can't remember. It's Liquitex Gouache mixture of Opera Pink and Fluro Violet, Interference Gold, and I can't remember if there's one other, but I have put it up on the screen anyway so that you'll be able to see. And I only use the black cell activator in the end. I do mention white as well, but no, I just use the black. Right, I'll put some music on and come back to you later.
I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything. I didn't know I would meet someone like you. I didn't know you made me feel the things I do. And now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything. So I chilly sky crispy. Push the good ones away. I'm hanging out here. I've been watching you. You've been watching me too, right? Can you picture you and me in the darkness? Kissing, touching. Kill the lights, I'm your assassin. No sleep breaking. Every inch of my skin's missing you, giving. Breathe out, breathe in.
really think the embellishments make this. It's very minimalistic, but yeah, I like the embellishments on it. So it could go in with black and white because it's pink basically. So yeah, black and white and pink. So hope you're all going to join us for the Valentine collab this weekend. Kicks off on February the 12th, Saturday in America, EST. I think it's 12 o'clock midday. All the details are in my description box below. I'm on at 6 p.m. EST on the 13th, which is 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So yes, if you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe, and then you'll know when I upload a new video, save you having to search. And yeah, everybody take care, stay safe, and happy Valentine's weekend. Thanks for being here, guys. Bye.